Once you try this egg omelette, you will get addicted to it. Trust me. This egg omelette is rich, delicious, and very easy to prepare. First, get your onions the way I rounded it just like this. Then get the egg yolk in the middle first. Then you're gonna use your egg white to fill it in. Egg white and some veggies. That is optional. I added carrot and pepper. Round it down. Then get another egg yolk to give it a beautiful design. Just be creative with it. Creativity at its peak. Then flip, 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 flip to the other side. Allow it to heat up before you flip and add any veggies as your toppings. Then flip the other side. It doesn't even take time. This breakfast is very easy and delicious. Look at that. Look at what we have. You can use it with tea, rice, anything. Thank you so much for watching. Yummy.